not the lash they fear. It is my divine power.
Yeah, bang. Papa up in the house. Up in the Trailblazer. So we getting ready to go to one of my favorite spots to hopefully do some metering. It's a car audio place. I've been dealing with them for many years. Before I got in and started doing it myself. They're still my buddies and everything. So I'm just trying to go there and see if I can get on the meter and see what this thing does for you guys that always asking what do I do on the meter. Cause I don't know, cause I don't meter. So we're just gonna try to go ahead and see. If not, then I'll just kind of wait till the next car show. So, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and get to traveling, get on here. Yeah, man. So we here at Radio Clinic and get ready to pull around back, put this thing on the meter and see what you do a couple of runs and see what's going on with this thing.
Everything, or
do you have any? I do have
I'll
some.
To do some digging. I don't know.
No, I've got some.
Okay.
I've got some.
If you want to do a sweep first, don't go full volume. Just do a sweep, and we'll find out what the sweet spot is, what the highest point is, and then we'll go back to hitting that.
Okay, let me see if I can find that then. See, I never really metered, like I said. I just go for a tone, and then that's that. So, I'm gonna find a sweep real quick. Okay. Yeah. All right, so let's do the sweep real quick. Maybe like a quarter volume, maybe?
That or just something loud enough that it'll register so we can see where the peak is, but
okay.
Not, get everything so hot that it's not going to perform the next round,
Okay. All right. Okay. Gotta see why it's not registering, guys. Oh, shit. Give me another battery. Always keeps the spares. Alright guys, we can't quite get the turn lab working, but it may just need an update or something. Or Mecca done took over. Mecca done bought them out. So we couldn't get the turn lab to work. So what we're gonna try now is go over here across the street to my buddies I used to deal with a long time ago and see if they got a meter over here, just so you guys can see what this thing does. So let's go over here to Ultimate Sounds, talk to my buddy Houston, and see if he's got a meter that we can figure out what this thing does. Y'all can quit tripping. Yeah, man. Well, as you can see, guys, I gave it a try. There's nobody around this little small town does the meters. You know what I mean? So it's kind of rough, you know, unless you just buy your own or you go to the shows and get it done. And I'm not trying to pay no $300 just to put a number up that I'm really not interested in. So I tried. They don't have the meter here. They don't have the meter. Well, the term lab's not working at the place I really want to get it metered at. And I'm just probably getting ready to put this thing up for the season anyway, and play it every now and then for you guys. But you know, I've got that other project going on right now, so again, I'm not really interested in metering the thing. You know, I just like to have a little fun with it. But yeah, man, they gave me another place, High Caliper. I don't know where that is. Never been to it. I might. Let's see. It's already 3:43 here. A lot of the shops and everything, they close up around 4 and 5 o'clock, and it might take like an hour or so to see where I'm at. So I got a lot of things to do today, so we'll try this again. But we'll find out what this thing does. My man's supposed to call me back, and yeah, man. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. All right, so we made it to this place right here. So we're gonna go in here and see if they got a meter. No, I said I wasn't, but we'll see.
See, that would take my meter only goes to 140.
Mm-hmm.
It's not even worth getting it out.
Gotcha,
Because,
gotcha.
you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I know it's going to peg it. And,
Yeah.
You know, so.
He's got Wolfram app. He's got 2 of them.
What subs you running?
Wolfram AU15s.
I like them.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, they're good, it's good stuff, man.
Yeah.
Who built the box?
I did. I built everything, yeah.
Okay.
Built the box doors and all. Yeah. Do it in my spare time.
Okay. Cool.
You want to take a listen?
Yeah.
Can't stop my falling. Can't stop my falling.
So this is for the fans in the back.
Oh, okay.
This is nothing right now.
Okay.
I'm supposed to do some more stuff on it.
Okay.
This is for the, oh, I guess y'all didn't see that.
Sam.
Those for the speakers in the windows.
Oh,
And then
pretty cool.
these are for my lights
Okay.
inside the box.
Oh, all right.
I'm so fresh, I'm so clean, so smooth coming through. I fought gangsta.
Yeah, the fan was.
I think you got Jesse built. You know who Jesse?
Well, so I know I said that I wasn't gonna come over here, but I did anyway. They did not have a meter, so but hey, we gave out some demos. That's what we do. But maybe on the next go round. So don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and shoot, man. That's it. Peace out.